Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DoorDash, manage orders and earnings step by step clearly. Download the DoorDash Dasher app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Dasher app and allow the required permissions so the app works correctly. Tap the Sign In button on the first screen. Enter the email address or phone number you use to create your Dasher account. Type your password carefully and double-check for spelling mistakes. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Complete any verification steps, such as a code sent by text message or email. When you reach the main screen, confirm you are logged into the correct Dasher account. Tap the menu icon to open your account and app settings. Go to Profile and verify your name, vehicle type, and contact details are accurate. Set your delivery preferences if the app asks for location or schedule permissions. Tap Dash Now or Schedule to start or plan your working time. Before you begin, check that your internet connection is stable and location services are on. When an order offer appears, review the restaurant, distance, and estimated pay. Tap Accept to take the order, or decline if it does not fit your plan. Use the in-app navigation button to drive to the pickup location. At the restaurant, confirm the customer name and order items before leaving. Tap Confirm Pickup in the app as soon as you have the order in your hands. Follow the delivery instructions shown on the order screen, including gate codes or drop-off notes. If you cannot reach the customer, use the in-app call or chat options for support. After drop-off, take a photo if required and tap Complete Delivery. To manage active orders, use the Orders tab to see status updates in real time. To track your income, open the Earnings section from the main menu. Review your daily and weekly totals to understand how much you are making. Tap into a specific day to see individual deliveries, tips, and adjustments. Check your payout method under Payments and confirm your bank details are correct. If you use FastPay, follow the prompts to set it up and verify your identity if needed. Use the Ratings and Accounts sections to monitor performance and keep your account in good standing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.